channel. I am Sandeep Das from Das Chemistry. So in the last class we have discussed about the units of concentrations. I mean, we have discussed strength, we have discussed normality, we have discussed what molarity. Today this class is continuation of that earlier class. So from that only, from that strength, normality and molarity, we will proceed further. तो बच्चों जिसका भी जो डाउट होगा जरूर मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के देना, so that I can clarify your further doubt. And don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will get notification about the new videos whatever I am uploading. So let us start with. So what we have learned in the last class, we have learned that molarity is the number of moles of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. Then we have also discussed about what normality. It is the number of gram equivalent of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. And strength is very simple, that is, it is the number of gram of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. So first of all, if I know the molarity of a solution, then I can easily convert it into normality and vice versa. So what is the formula for that? We will go for that first of all. So let me write here relationship between normality and molarity. Relationship between normality and molarity, that we need to discuss. So there, first of all, there are, I will say, two formulas here. Number one, you can write N equal to Nm. So what is the meaning of N equal to Nm? See, N is the normality, N is the valency factor, and this is M. M is what? Your molarity. So बच्चों, अगर नॉर्मलिटी निकालना है तो वैलेंसी फैक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे मोलरिटी से तो तुमको मिल जाएगा नॉर्मलिटी. अगर मोलरिटी चाहिए, नॉर्मलिटी मालूम है तो क्या करोगे? n by n, and this n is what? Your valency factor. Valency factor means maybe like your acidity of a base या basicity of an acid and so on, or the total valency of the cation or anion in a salt, that we have discussed under a topic called what? Equivalent mass. जिसको भी पता नहीं है वो थोड़ा देखना बच्चों, equivalent mass के related topic है valency factor. In the last class also I have discussed about that, what is the meaning of acidity or basicity, so you have to put that. For example, suppose you know that the molarity of a sulfuric acid solution is 0.25. Molarity, you know, that is how much? 0.25. For what? Sulfuric acid. If someone asks you to find out normality, then it is very easy to find out. How you will find out? You know the formula N equal to Nm. And remember, for sulfuric acid, you know that sulfuric acid dissociate to give what? 2H plus SO4 2 minus. So here the basicity. Basicity is what? The number of H plus ion provided by one molecule of acid. So here the basicity of this sulfuric acid is how much? It is 2, because one molecule provide 2H plus. That means if I know the molarity as 0.25, I can easily find out that normality, and normality equal to how much? This is 2, that is basicity is 2 into 0.25 is the molarity, N into Nm formula mein. So I am getting what? 0.5. So normality is molarity is 0.25 and normality is what? 0.5. So you can easily convert normality into molarity and molarity into what? Normality. Now look at, you also you are having another formula. The another formula is what? You can write the same thing, same thing, कोई अलग चीज नहीं है वो. The same thing you can apply like what you know बच्चों, कि normality into equivalent mass, normality into equivalent mass equal to molarity into molecular mass. I mean, just revise the last example. In the last example, I have told you about sulfuric acid. The molarity was how much? 0.25. So let us say कि I want to find out the normality. Then what I will do? Normality into equivalent mass. Equivalent mass of sulfuric acid, you know that it is 49. Equal to molarity is how much? 0.25 into molecular mass of sulfuric acid is how much? 98. I repeat, मैंने क्या किया बच्चों? देखो, नॉर्मलिटी इंटू इक्विवेलेंट मास इज इक्वल टू मोलरिटी इंटू मॉलिक्यूलर मास. ये जो लास्ट एग्जांपल मैंने दिया था, वहां पे आई हैव टोल्ड दैट द मोलरिटी ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड सॉल्यूशन इज हाउ मच? 0.25 m. सो आई नो द मोलरिटी, आई नो द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एज 98. I know the equivalent mass of sulfuric acid is how much? 49. So I can easily calculate that normality. So I have written normality into 49 equal to molarity into 98. So your normality equal to how much? 0.25 into 98 by 49. If you put this formula, then it is coming out to be 0.5. One and the same way, n into nm करके भी हमको मिला था 0.5. Here also I am getting what? 0.5. So you can note down this formula. I hope it is very clear बच्चों कि कैसे नॉर्मलिटी को क्या बना सकते हैं? मोलरिटी. एंड कैसे मोलरिटी को क्या बना सकते हैं हम लोग? नॉर्मलिटी. उसके बाद देन तो हमारा किसके किसके ऊपर डिस्कशन हो गया बच्चों? वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ, वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट नॉर्मलिटी, एंड नाउ वी हैव ऑल्सो डिस्कस अबाउट मोलरिटी and how to convert normality into molarity and molarity into normality. Now let us say ये तीनों को लेके एक नंबर हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. Let me find out a number for you and we will discuss that number so that you can have a very clear idea about it. So let us say the question is like 10.6 gram of sodium carbonate each present in 500 ml of solution. You look at बच्चों, कहीं पे भी डाउट होता है तो देख लो. Let me read out. 10.6 gram of sodium carbonate is present in 500 ml of solution. Find out. Question is like find out the strength, normality and molarity. This is the question that is given to me and let us solve. All of you अपना कॉपी निकाल के इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो बच्चों. आराम से कर लोगे अभी, फिर भी मैं तुमको सॉल्व करके दिखाता हूं कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे हम लोग. वी नो द फॉर्मूला. पहले लेट अस से स्टार्ट विथ, मुझे निकालना है मोलारिटी. सो मोलारिटी इक्वल टू क्या फॉर्मूला? वेट बाय मॉलिक्यूलर मास. बच्चों मॉलिक्यूलर मास किसका? वेट ऑफ सोल्यूट, आई मीन हु इज द सोल्यूट? सोडियम कार्बोनेट. बाय मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ द सोल्यूट इनटू 1000 by volume of solution in ml. And in the last class, if you remember, I have not only discussed this formula but also I have discussed about the detailed calculation why this formula has been derived. So उसका basic भी मैंने बताया था. So now I am directly putting on this formula. What are the data known to me? Molarity equal to weight. Weight is how much given? 10.6. You can notice. So let me write here 10.6. By molecular mass बच्चों सोडियम कार्बोनेट, अगर तुम मोलिकुलर मास निकालोगे इट विल कम अराउंड 106. कैसे? सोडियम इज 23 into 2, 2 सोडियम है, कार्बन का मास है 12 एंड ऑक्सीजन, हर ऑक्सीजन 16 into 3. So this comes out to be 106. So let me write here 106. Weight is 10.6. By molecular mass is 106 into 1000 by volume of the solution in ml. What is the volume given in the number? 500 ml. So let me put here 500. So how much I am getting? This is coming out to be, this is 2, you can notice, and this is 10. So 2 by 10, so I can write 0.2. So I can say बच्चों molarity equal to 0.2 m। देखो पूरा चीज क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं, और कुछ भी डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए। सो मोलारिटी इज हाउ मच, 0.2 m। अगर मैं नॉर्मलिटी निकालना चाहता हूं, इफ आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट द नॉर्मलिटी, आई कैन पुट द फॉर्मूला, और इवन डायरेक्टली आई कैन कैलकुलेट बाय कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू द दैट मोलारिटी नॉर्मलिटी वाला फॉर्मूला पुट करके। आई नो दैट n equal to nm. Here I know this valency factor. Look at the, for sodium carbonate break like what, 2Na plus CO3 2 minus. That means valency of cation, हर cation जो है Na plus 1 means valency 1, दो cation है तो valency 2, या anion 2 minus मतलब valency 2, whatever you have to take the valency of the cation or anion. In both the cases it is 2. So here this valency factor is 2 for sodium carbonate. So let us put here the formula. Normality equal to 2 into molarity. Molarity is how much, 0.2. So this comes out to be 0.4. So the in this particular example the normality is 0.4. Or else you can also put this in the formula, weight by equivalent mass करना है वहां पे, and you know that equivalent mass अगर वो भी करेंगे ना बच्चों, वो भी तुम आराम से कर सकते हो। लेट मी एक्सप्लेन हियर। देखो कैसे हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे उसको, थोड़ा सा देखो। ये तो एक बार हो गया कन्वर्शन फार्मूला से, दूसरा वाला नॉर्मलिटी से मैं करता हूं। नॉर्मलिटी इक्वल टू वेट बाय इक्विवेलेंट मास इनटू 1000 बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इन ml. weight is how much, it is given 10.6. equivalent mass of sodium carbonate 53, valency factor 2, that means what, 106 by 2. So it is coming out to be this 106 by 2. If you do that, then you will get 53. So equivalent mass is 53, molecular mass was 106 into 1000 by volume is how much, 500. So this is coming out to be 2 and this is coming out to be how much, this is 5. So 2 by 5 coming out to be how much, 0.4. In both way you can see, either you can put this conversion formula or you can directly solve this for a number by this formula. In both way you can notice, students, you are getting how much, 0.4 is the normality. And finally what is left behind, strength. वो तो सबसे easy है। Strength is what? Strength is the number of gram of the solute present in 1 liter of the solution. So whenever there is a question on strength, in this particular example you see 500 ml of solution contain how much, 10.6 gram. So that implies 1000 ml of solution contain, double होगा ना इसका। So how much, 10.6 by 500 into 1000, कैसे हुआ, for 1 it is by 500, for 1000 ml it is into 1000, और डबल करना है बस। So you are getting how much, 21.2 gram. So I can say strength of this solution is 21.2 gram per liter. So students, you can notice this is the strength, this is the molarity, and this is the normality, and this is how you can solve the numbers related to strength, normality as well as what, your molarity. कहीं पे कुछ डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए बच्चों। यू कैन लर्न दिस, यू प्लीज राइट दिस नंबर, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस नंबर ऑफ योर ओन। आई होप दिस पॉइंट इज वेरी क्लियर नाउ अबाउट दैट नॉर्मलिटी, मोलारिटी. नाउ आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द नेक्स्ट टर्म, दैट इज if the weight percentage is given, weight percentage का अगर कुछ दिया होगा तो वो कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे। जैसे कि लेट मी फाइंड आउट ए नंबर इज गिवन, कैलकुलेट। अच्छा, उससे पहले दूसरा टर्म में भी चले जाते हैं, जैसे कि मोलालिटी। व्हाट इज दैट, मोलालिटी, स्मॉल m. इट इज नॉट मोलारिटी, आई एम सेइंग व्हाट, इट इज मोलालिटी. सो व्हाट इज मोलालिटी? Dear students, listen to me very carefully so that you can able to distinguish between molarity and molality. Molality is the number of moles of the solute present in 1000 gram of solvent. I repeat, It is the number of moles of the solute present in thousand gram of solvent. Try to understand how it is different from what your molarity. In molarity, the definition what? It is the number of moles of the solute. It is okay. Present in 1 liter था वहां पे. This is now 1000 gram. Always 1 liter is not equal to 1000 gram. Then वहां पे था term solution. यहाँ पे क्या है? Solvent. So these two terms are different from this molarity. In molarity it is 1 liter and solution here it is 1000 gram of what? Solvent. That makes difference between what your molarity and what your molality. Let us say कि 1000 ग्राम में अगर 1 मोल का सोल्यूट है देन द सॉल्यूशन का मोलालिटी हम लोग बोलेंगे 1m. अगर 1000 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कंटेन 2 मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट then we will call that the molality is what? 2m. Now we will write what? 1m, 2m. That small m we have to write, not the capital M. So that is how you can find out the molality. So let me find out a number. Just a minute बच्चों, मोलालिटी का एक नंबर हम लोग निकाल के देखते हैं. लेट अस से कि एक नंबर दिया गया है 196 ग्राम ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड इज डिसॉल्व्ड विथ 1 kg ऑफ सॉल्वेंट लाइक वाटर. व्हाट इज द मोलालिटी? लुक एट द नंबर. Let me write here the number. 196 gram of sulfuric acid is dissolved in 1 kg of water. And it asks, what is the molality? ये क्वेश्चन क्या है? मोलालिटी कितना है वो पूछ रहा है. So कैसे सॉल्व करना है? पहला बात, first of all, you must understand. Here 1000 gram of solvent it is given, very clear. So 1000 gram contain how many gram of sulfuric acid? 1000, I will write it, 1000 gram of water contain 196 gram of sulfuric acid. So that means what you know? Here मुझे पता करना है कि ये जो 196 ग्राम है वो कितना मोल, बिकॉज द डेफिनेशन से इट इज द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ द सोल्यूट प्रेजेंट इन 1000 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. अगर मान लो क्वेश्चन अगर यहाँ पे 500 ग्राम होता तो पहले मैं उसको क्या करता कि 500 ग्राम में 196 ग्राम इज देयर, सो 1000 ग्राम में पहले कितना ग्राम का सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है वो निकालना होगा. मगर यहाँ पे तो 1000 ग्राम दे दिया है तो उसका कोई कन्वर्शन की जरूरत नहीं है. But I need to, the second thing I have to do is 196 gram is how many mole? This is the question. So if it is 1 mole then 1m, if it is 2 mole then it is 2m, if it is 5 mole then it is 5m. That is my answer. So what I will do, the next question I guess, now I have to calculate number of moles of sulfuric acid equal to what I will do, weight by molecular mass. So weight is 196 gram, molecular mass of sulfuric acid you know that 98, so it is 2 mole. So I can say बच्चों 2 mole of sulfuric acid each present in 1000 gram of solvent. 1000 gram of solvent. So that implies molality equal to 2m. 2 मोल है तो 2m हुआ, अगर ये हाफ मोल होता तो हाफ m होता. उतना ही बात है बच्चों, इतना सिंपल सा चीज है, कोई बड़ी बात इसमें नहीं है. बट यू मस्ट बी केयरफुल कि whether the data is given about the solvent or the entire solution. So in order to understand this, I will go for another example of this molality. तो उसको भी ध्यान से देखो बच्चों. I will go for this. I hope you have written all this. Let me break for this 2 or 4 seconds so that you can clearly write this. Now we will discuss another number related to this molality so that about the data related to solvent will be clear. Let me read out another number. 29.25 gram of NaCl is present in 529.25 gram of solution. I repeat, 29.25 gram. Let me write the question. 29.25 gram of sodium chloride is present in 529.25 gram of solution. Find out the molality. Find out the molality. Try to understand. What is that? बच्चों यहाँ पे you can notice जो डेटा है 529.25 gram, that is not solvent, that is solution is given. So I must be careful here about that. I have to find out it is the, what is the definition? See, it is the number of moles of the solute present in 1000 gram of the solvent. It is present in what? 1000 gram of solvent. So you need to calculate. You know that solution consists of two parts. One is solute, another is what? Solvent. Solution is given 529.25 gram. Solvent I don't know, but solute is given 29.25 gram. So अगर इससे मैं इसको माइनस कर दूंगा, सॉल्वेंट आई विल गेट, बिकॉज ये दोनों मिला के 529 है, वहां से एक है 29.25. सो सॉल्वेंट इज हाउ मच? 529.25 minus 29.25. So it is how much? 500 gram. So I have to interpret the data in that sense. That is the basic behind that solution और solvent का concept में कैसे जाना है. So here finally what I got? 500 gram of solvent contain 29.25 gram of NaCl. That means मुझे डेफिनेशन क्या बोलता है? 1000 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट में कितना मोल है? सो मुझे क्या करना है? 1000 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कंटेंट कितना होगा? 500 में अगर इतना है तो 1000 में इट विल बी डबल. सो लेट मी राइट 29.25 into 2. So 58.5 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl. So I got a data कि 1000 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर और सॉल्वेंट कंटेन 58.5 ग्राम ऑफ NaCl. The next question arises, is 58.5 gram of NaCl is how many mole? Because what is the definition? Always don't forget the definition. It is the number of moles of the solute present in 1000 gram of solvent. So I have just discussed कि 1000 gram में कितना ग्राम NaCl रखा है, 1000 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर में कितना NaCl है वो मुझे मिला है, मगर I have to calculate what it into number of moles. So 58.5 gram of sodium chloride equals how many moles? So how to calculate? The formula is, so I will put what? Weight by molecular mass. Weight is 58.5. It is 58.5 by molecular mass of sodium chloride is also 58.5. बच्चों सबको पता है sodium is 23 and chlorine is 35.5. So you are getting how much? 58.5. So weight by molecular mass, it is how much? It is 1 mole. So that means I can say 1 mole of NaCl is present in 1000 gram of solvent. 1000 gram of solvent contain 1 mole. So molality is how much? Molality equal to 1m. 1000 ग्राम में 1 मोल है तो मोलालिटी 1m मिला. यही है उसका बेसिक बच्चों, और कुछ भी नहीं है मोलालिटी में. तो आई होप इट इज वेरी क्लियर. सॉल्यूशन का डाटा है तो यू मस्ट बी वेरी केयरफुल सो दैट यू विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू व्हाट? योर सॉल्वेंट. अनलेस एंड अनटिल यू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्वेंट, तुम्हारा टोटल कैलकुलेशन नहीं तो गलत होगा. एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैट मोलारिटी एंड मोलालिटी. सो नाउ वी विल गो फॉर द फॉर्मूला. सो जो फॉर्मूला हर वक्त जैसे हम लोग डिराइव करते हैं वो फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे भी लिखेंगे. जैसे कि मान लो मोलालिटी का क्या लिखेंगे? वेट by let me write the molality equal to what? Weight by molecular mass into 1000. In earlier case what we were writing? Volume of the solution in ml, but here it is not volume, rather I will write number of gram of solvent, not even solution. So put that formula. Weight is how much it was given? Weight of solute was 29.25. Then molecular mass of solute नमक का कितना है 58.5 into 1000 by how many gram of solvent was there 500. So put all this data. So it is coming out to be 58.5 by 58.5. So again it is 1. So this is the shortcut formula to calculate quickly 1m, and this is the detailed description how you can have a in-depth knowledge to calculate molarity. हर वक्त बच्चों देखो, अगर तुम फॉर्मूला में चलोगे you will not have a sound knowledge. You may calculate quickly but you will not have a sound knowledge. This gives you in-depth knowledge how this molality is calculated, and this is the shortcut formula so that you can calculate molality quickly. So this is about today's video बच्चों. We have today discussed about what your normality, molarity, how they are related. Then also we have discussed about molality, and finally please write down a number. You will try this number. ये तुम्हारे लिए होमवर्क है बच्चों, ये थोड़ा ट्राई करोगे so that I will start from that question only. I will start discussing that question. So let me write out that number, and उसके बाद we will finish off this video and we will come up with another video to continue the sessions where we will discuss about, we will start from that molality, then mole fraction, percentage, ppm. That will continue with another class. Here the question is calculate the normality, molarity and molality of 20% weight to weight solution of sulfuric acid having a density equal to 1.1 gram per ml. Calculate, let me write here. Calculate normality, molarity and molality. मैंने symbolically लिख दिया बच्चों, normality, molarity and molarity of a 20% weight to weight percentage of sulfuric acid solution having a density of 1.1 gram per ml. So बच्चों, here you remember one thing कि क्वेश्चन को देख के घबराना नहीं है. पहला तो बात है, तुमको जो फॉर्मूला पता है, वट एवर फॉर्मूला यू नो अबाउट नॉर्मालिटी एंड मोलारिटी, ट्राई टू इन्वॉल्व दैट फॉर्मूला. एंड हियर वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इज नॉट गिवन. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, what do you mean by 20% W by W? I am just giving you the hints. 20% weight to weight percentage का मतलब होता है सॉल्यूशन यू विल कंसीडर वेट में है, ये भी सॉल्यूशन वेट में है, और ये है सॉल्यूट का, ये सॉल्यूशन का डाटा है. सॉल्यूट भी किस में है, वेट मतलब ग्राम में लेटस से, और ये भी ग्राम में है. सो सॉल्यूशन यू कंसीडर 100 ग्राम, परसेंटेज मतलब टोटल कितना 100 ग्राम. 20% सॉल्यूट मतलब वहां पे सॉल्यूट जो भी है, कौन सा सॉल्यूट है, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, वो है 20 ग्राम. एंड सॉल्वेंट इज हाउ मच, दैट इज 80 ग्राम. सो ये 20% W by W से इतना डेटा तो मुझे मिल जाता है. अगर तुमको ग्राम से ml चाहिए, वॉल्यूम अगर चाहिए, सो यू कैन यूज दिस डेंसिटी डाटा, तो वहां से तुमको वॉल्यूम भी मिल सकेगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद तुम कैलकुलेट करोगे एंड टेल मी इन द कमिंग क्लास व्हाट विल बी द आंसर. Also we will discuss about the shortcut formula for that, how to calculate quickly about this. So बच्चों, आज के लिए इतना ही. आई होप तुमको वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक जरूर कीजिए. तुम लोग उसको लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, शेयर करो, कमेंट तो जरूर देना बच्चों. कमेंट जरूर चाहिए वहां पे नीचे. अच्छा लगा कि नहीं, अगर नहीं लगा तो क्या और इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए, तुम लोगों को और क्या जरूरत है, क्या डाउट है, यू प्लीज डू इट. थैंक यू. Bye bye.